Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to pin chats in WhatsApp on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up WhatsApp. After once done, just go ahead and go to your main chat list, which is right here. If you're not being landed to chats, just basically tap on chats in here. So here we have the chat list. So as you can see here, I only have one. Okay, so just go ahead and find the specific chat or group you wanted to pin. Then go ahead and swipe right. Again, swipe right. So swipe. Do not swipe aggressively because you're going to miss the pin button. Just swipe a little bit until you see the pin. All right. Again, swipe a little bit, pin. There you go. That's how simple it is. And by the way, you can only pin up to 3 chats at the very top of your chat list. So that's just how to pin chats in WhatsApp on iPhone. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.